Friends, so welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss data interpretation part for GRE quant portion. This is the third video on this topic, and this topic is very easy. We are going to get full marks from this topic as well. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda. I am former student of IISc Bangalore MTech Mechanical course, and in GATE exam I have secured ER66 in mechanical background. Right, these all are the topics, and we are having videos from all the topics. Multiple choice, single selection type of question. These are the type of questions as you can see on the screen, and we have to deal with all the questions from all the topics, right? So let us start from very first question, and here is your very first question on the screen. First of all, we'll go through from the same data. There will be 2 to 4 questions. Title is selected data for greeting card sales. We are given with selected data for greeting card sales. There are different types of greeting cards. Annual revenue from all greeting card sales from 1990 to 19 revenue in billion of dollars. Annual revenue is given to us from all greeting cards. Okay, this is the bifurcation, I think. Number of greeting cards sold for 10 occasions in 1993. For a particular year, 1993, we are given that number of greeting cards sold. Right? For 10 occasions like Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, graduation, Thanksgiving, right? These are the bifurcation given to us. Okay. So we have to first read the question. So let's read the question. In 1993, the number of Valentine's Day cards sold was approximately how many times the number of Thanksgiving cards sold? For 1993, we are given the data. So Valentine's Day card, Valentine's Day occasion, number of cards sold were 900 million, sorry. It's in million, right? Be careful regarding the unit. And for Thanksgiving, number of cards sold 42 million. Valentine's Day cards sold was approximately how many times? Yes, we can say Valentine's Day cards sold are greater than Thanksgiving cards. So you have to just find ratio. So what will be your answer? You have to just find ratio. Answer will be 900 divided by 42. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 are options, and we have to choose approximately. So we can take without calculation. So 900 divided by 45 will become 20, right? This will be somewhat more than 20, but we can approximate as 20. Because 30 won't be correct answer. 30 won't be correct answer. 40 is also incorrect. Option A is correct answer. This question. Okay. Let's move on the next question from the same data. Approximately what was the percent increase in the annual revenue from all greeting card sales from 1990 to 1993? What is the percentage increment in annual revenue? All greeting cards. For 1990 and 1993, data is given to us in billion of dollars. So what is revenue in 1990? It is between 4 and 5, and from the figure we can say it is exactly between 4 and 5. You can say 4.5 million billions of dollars. 4.5 billions of dollars. For 1993, this is our given bar graph. It's not exactly between 5 and 6, so it will be more than 5.5. So if we locate this, it's 5.5, and this is pointing between this red and this black. So you can say it is 5.75 billions of dollars. 5.75, yes or no? 5.75. So you have to get the answer, and from the graph we are able to take this as an interpretation. So what is percentage increment? There is increment of, we can say, 1.25 billions of dollars. You have to find percentage. What is percentage increase? Final value is revenue in 1993 minus revenue in 1990 divided by revenue in 19. Final minus initial divided by initial into 100. Because you have to find percentage. Yes, we can just put these values and can get our answer. 5.75 minus 4 divided by 4.5 to 100. We have to get closest approximately, we can say. Let us solve this, and our options are 50, 39, 45, 20 and 28. So if you solve this, we are going to get approximately 28%. The closest option. So option E is correct answer for this question. There is one more question from the same data. Let us read the question very carefully. 1993, a card company, there will be various companies, right? A card company that sold 40% of Mother's Day cards, that are priced its cards for that occasion between $1 to $8 each. If the revenue from sales of the company's Mother's Day cards in 1993 was R million dollars, then which of the following indicates all possible values of R? And in options, R is given in like certain interval. You can read the question once again. In 1993, there is a card company that sold 40% of Mother's Day cards. Right? For selling Mother's Day card, there will be more than one companies. In 1990, total Mother's Day card that were sold is 155 million. Out of this, one company had sold 40% of the cards. And what was the price? The price was between $1 to $8 each. There can be different price. Then revenue by selling these cards is R. Then what is possible use of R? We have to find that range. Right? So options are given to us. I think it's very easy question. You have to just read the question once or twice. So we have to find actually how many cards this company has sold. Total Mother's Day card sold is 155 million. This company has sold 40% of this. What is 40% of this? 40% of this, 40 into 155 divided by 1. So this will be 62 millions. This company has sold 62 million cards in 1993 for Mother's Day category. Okay. Number of cards sold. Million. What is average price or price of one card? So it is between, the price is per card, price is between $1 to $8. So we can just specify from the given revenue from sales of the company Mother's Day card are priced card for the occasion between $1 and $8 range. Yes, we have to just put the values per card, right? Per card, they are getting this revenue in million, in dollar, in dollar. Okay, So they have sold 60 million cards. So we can multiply on both the sides with 62, because if you find average price, right, that will be between 1 and 8, right? Average price can be 1.1, average price can be 1.1, average price can be 7.9, right? We can say. So if we multiply this both the side with 62, then we will get total revenue, that is defined as R. $1 into 62, this side $8 and 62. This revenue is in million dollars, and all the options are in $1,000,000, right? So 62 less than R. What is 8 into 62? 196, right? So this is possible range of revenue R. So let's go through the options. So option A is not including, like we can say, $70 million, right? Same for B, same for C. On option D and E, lower range is same 60 to 62, but higher. What is the highest possible revenue? If you sell all the cards at $8 each, if you sell all this card at $8 each, then we can get maximum revenue is this. This is the minimum possible revenue. This is the maximum possible revenue. Average will be between this range. So we have to choose option E for this question. Right? So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this, do share this, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in our upcoming video.